Hi everybody, welcome back. Yeah, it's been a long time since I've done a video. It's also been a long time since I actually completed a project. So what you're seeing in front of you is the final reveal of Bold Miniatures Waiata. Waiata? I can't pronounce it, but it's Waiata is the name of the figure. And it's from their Friends collection, so there's two other figures that go along with this one, which I purchased a few years ago through a Kickstarter. So I finally got around to actually painting one of them, and here it is. And I hope you like it. This was actually a very fun piece to do. It's got really nice detail on the face, the guitar. I actually added strings to it. I ended up stripping some electrical wire and using that for the strings, mostly because I tried using thread and it just looked too small. It looked very out of scale, and black thread really didn't show up very well. So the copper wire seemed to fit the bill. Although it was kind of difficult to work with, you can see I had a really hard time just getting it to lay flat. You know, there's so many bumps and other things in it, but now that I'm kind of looking at it, it kind of looks like she's actually playing it, like the strings are moving, I guess. Or at least that's what I'm telling myself. So, you know, there you go. But yeah, lots of good detail. Show you up here. The cat was kind of fun to paint. I modeled it after, we have a cat, Miley, who's a black and white like this, so I just kind of used that as a reference. And the horns. I went online and found some bighorn sheep, and I kind of copied some of the patterns for that onto this. So that was my inspiration there. And then just, you know, the brown hair. And this was all accomplished with acrylics and oils. So that's how I got to where I'm at. The stand that she's sitting on, the wooden plinth came with it, but there was no stand with it. So I ended up having to go buy some brass rod. And then I ended up cutting it down to the correct size to get it to sit just kind of the way I wanted it to. But there you go. I hope you guys like this. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you to the new subscribers I've picked up over the last month or two since my last video. Thank you for showing up. I'm sorry, I have not been posting a whole lot lately. Just a lot of stuff going on with work, and just kind of a general fatigue and burnout on my part. So it's been taking me a while to get anything completed. So just kind of working at my own pace. Again, thank you. And thank you to all my long-term subscribers. I'm glad you're still sticking around, even though I haven't been producing a whole lot lately. I appreciate you all. And since this week is the week of Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I hope you all have a safe holiday. Enjoy your time with your friends and family. And, you know, don't stuff yourselves too much, okay? I'll talk to you all real soon. Goodbye.